You've studied for 2 hours, but spent 30 minutes scrolling TikTok, 20 minutes overthinking your to-do list, and another 15 just sitting there convincing yourself to start. Sound familiar? Yeah. You don't have a focus problem. You have a strategy problem. But I'm about to give you one that's so simple, it almost feels like cheating. It's called the Pomodoro Technique. And if you actually use it properly, it can make your study sessions 10x more focused, productive, and, dare I say it, enjoyable. Okay, let's break it down like you're five. The Pomodoro Technique is simple. Work for 25 minutes. Take a 5-minute break. Repeat that 4 times, then take a longer break, 15, 30 minutes. That's it. The reason it works? It creates urgency without burnout. Your brain sees 25 minutes as doable, not overwhelming. No more telling yourself, I'll just study all day, and then doing absolutely nothing. Here's the sciencey bit. Your brain works best in short, focused bursts. Pomodoro taps into your dopamine reward system. You get a mini win every time you complete a 25-minute session. It also prevents attention residue, that gross mental fog you get when you switch between tasks or tabs. Pomodoro minimizes that by forcing you to focus on one thing at a time. And guess what? When you work with full focus, you retain way more information. Most people mess up Pomodoro by using their breaks to scroll TikTok or check emails. Don't do that. Your 5-minute break is for your brain, not your boredom. Get up, stretch, breathe, drink water, walk around like you lost your keys, then get back to it. Here's a quick setup. Pick one task to focus on, just one. Set a 25-minute timer. Use an app or even a tomato-shaped kitchen timer if you're feeling vintage. Eliminate all distractions. That means phone on airplane mode. No, seriously. When the timer rings, break for 5. Repeat 4 times, then take a longer break. That's it. No fluff, no BS. Now here's the tweak successful people use. Instead of quitting after 25 minutes if you are in flow, ride the wave. Set a second timer, or just keep going until you feel your focus dip. This way you respect the technique, but you don't interrupt your momentum. Also, track your Pomodoros. Use a sticky note or a study tracker. It builds accountability and helps you see real progress. Look, studying isn't supposed to feel like torture, but if you keep trying to power through without a system, you're setting yourself up to fail. Pomodoro isn't just a technique, it's a mental weapon against procrastination. Use it wisely, and your focus will never be the same. If you got value out of this, hit that like button. Also, join the free newsletter for weekly mindset and productivity tools. Links in the description. Thanks for watching.